Hey, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to make your own QR code in just a few clicks. Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter 300 by 300 pixels for this tutorial to set the canvas dimensions accurately before starting your design project. In the Templates tab, select any design you prefer. For example, click to choose this template to apply it quickly. To generate a QR code for your design, right-click the design area, then select the Generate QR Code option. The system will create a QR code that links directly to your design for easy sharing. Click in this area, then select Create QR Code for this page. The system will generate a QR code that links directly to the current page for easy sharing and access. On the next page, add a new page, then paste the QR code there to display the code as shown in the example. After generating the report for this page, click Share to send it or download to save a copy directly to your device for future access and reference. Select PNG format, then choose All Pages. Click Download to save them. You can now send these image files easily to others or use them in your projects. Share this QR code on social media or download it directly from Canva for easy access and distribution. Choose the method that suits your needs best. Open your design file to begin editing. Now you know how to create a QR code in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.